fully automated peanut canning and packaging production line, fully automatic bottle unscramblers automatically sort, arrange, and orient haphazardly unscrambled empty cans, providing a stable and continuous supply of cans for efficient production. Bottle cleaning machine uses high-pressure airflow to clean empty cans thoroughly, inside and out, removing dust and laying a clean foundation. The magnetic bottle flipper uses magnetic adsorption to smoothly flip empty cans 180 degrees. A rotary receiving machine receives and buffers empty cans after they have been tipped over, and completes the receiving process through multi-station rotation and sorting. After filling, the entire process involves fully automated nitrogen filling and sealing to replace oxygen, thus preventing oxidation at the source and greatly extending shelf life and maintaining a crisp texture. Bottle labeling machines enable high-speed and precise labeling of cans, resulting in flat, bubble-free labels that instantly enhance the product's image. The production date and batch number are printed clearly and durably on the can lid, enabling product information traceability. The final bottle unscrambler smoothly collects the finished packaged canned goods. The entire production line is highly efficient and runs smoothly, making it the ultimate solution for the peanut, nut, and high-end snack food industries that pursue superior quality.